Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you love baking and are on the hunt for a new kitchen gadget, you've come to the right place. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Philips Daily Collection Hand Mixer HR3705. It promises to be a lightweight powerhouse with 300 W of power and 5 different speed settings, plus a turbo boost. We're going to take a deep dive into its features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. It claims to be a lightweight yet powerful kitchen essential with a 300 W motor, 5 speed settings, a turbo function, and beaters designed for smooth, consistent mixing. Whether you're a beginner baker or a seasoned pro looking for a handy mixer for everyday use, this might just be what your kitchen needs. So let's jump right in. Let's get started. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. First up, you get the Philips HR3705 hand mixer itself. Along with that, there are 2 unique chronic-shaped stainless steel beaters, perfect for all your mixing needs. You'll also find stainless steel dough hooks for those lighter kneading tasks. And if you're wondering about cleanup, there's a large eject button for easy removal of the accessories. You also get a handy cord clip for tidy storage, and of course, the user manual along with warranty information. This hand mixer has a really sleek, modern look. The ergonomic design feels really comfortable in hand, and the cool touch hand grip adds to the overall user comfort. It's surprisingly lightweight, which is great for anyone who might be doing a lot of mixing, especially if you have weaker wrists or tend to get fatigued. And you can tell Philips paid attention to detail. The stainless steel beaters and dough hooks feel high quality and durable. On the noise side, it's about 83 decibels during normal use, which isn't bad, but it's something to keep in mind if you need to keep the noise level down. This hand mixer comes with 5 speed settings, plus a turbo mode for when you need an extra power boost. The maximum speed here is 1150 RPM, and it's 20% faster than your standard hand mixers, which means you can get through mixing faster and with less effort. Something I really love is the intuitive speed dial. It's easy to use, and you can easily find the right speed for whatever task you're working on. And when you really need that extra mph, the turbo button kicks in with a quick boost of power. This mixer offers 5 distinct speed settings, giving you a wide range of control. Whether you're folding delicate ingredients into a mousse or aggressively creaming butter and sugar for cookies, there's a speed setting for everything. A lot of budget mixers advertise multiple speeds, but they often feel indistinct from one another. That's not the case here. Each of the 5 speeds on the HR3705 feels deliberate, with noticeable differences as you move through the range. The lower speeds are great for gentler tasks like mixing dry and wet ingredients without splashing, or incorporating flour into batter slowly to avoid clumps. The mid-range speeds, 3 and 4, are excellent for standard tasks like mixing cake batter or whipping eggs. Then there's Speed 5, perfect for beating egg whites, whipping cream, or creating thick, airy batters. And then we come to the turbo mode, an absolute lifesaver when you need that extra push of power. Think of it as a short-term speed burst that helps you power through tougher tasks. Maybe your cookie dough is a little denser than usual, or your batter has some stubborn clumps. Just tap the turbo button, and the mixer revs up for a stronger, faster mix. This mixer doesn't just give you multiple speeds. It also maxes out at 1,150 RPM, rotations per minute. That's about 20% faster than many standard hand mixers, which often top out around 900 to 950 RPM. What this means in practical terms is that you'll get through your mixing tasks faster, with less strain on your hands and wrists, and more consistency in your final product. The cone-shaped beaters work with the RPM to pull ingredients from the edges toward the center, creating a mini vortex effect that makes your mixing more efficient and less messy. One of the things that really stands out about the Philips HR3705 is the intuitive speed dial. Positioned right at the top of the handle, the dial slides smoothly and clicks into place at each speed level. There's no guesswork involved. You won't be accidentally jumping from speed to turbo mode like on some older, clunky mixers. Each level is clearly marked, and the tactile feel gives you confidence while using it. This kind of intuitive control is especially helpful when you're multitasking in the kitchen. Now, let's see how it performs when it's actually in use. I tried whisking eggs, and it handled that beautifully. No issues there. Then, I moved on to mixing cake batter, and it did a great job at combining everything quickly and smoothly. I was impressed by how fast it handled that, and the transitions between speeds felt smooth. When you're done baking, cleanup couldn't be easier. The beaters, dough hooks, and other detachable parts are all dishwasher safe, so no need to scrub by hand. The eject button is a game changer for quickly removing the accessories without getting your hands messy. The cord clip is also a great little addition for keeping things neat and tidy. And, of course, you can easily wipe down the main unit for quick maintenance. All in all, I give the Philips HR3705 a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Its performance, ease of use, and cleanup are definitely top-notch, making it perfect for casual bakers or anyone who needs a reliable hand mixer for smaller tasks. The lightweight design is a huge bonus, and the turbo boost gives it that extra edge when you need speed. I highly recommend the Philips HR3705 if you're a casual baker or just looking for a reliable, compact hand mixer for everyday tasks. Thanks for watching. Happy baking, and see you next time.